and important security features in PHP. So let's say we have a project document named one underscore test underscore project. We have a folder inside it where we have supporting files for the project, and then we have some PHP files here. So let's open our login file here. So our home page is login.php. So this is our login form. So let's say we don't have index.html in our project for now. So what happens is when we use this URL, we can see our entire documents files are visible and it can be easily downloaded and can be misused. So it is a better idea to have at least an index.html file. So we will copy it and put it in the parent directory. So now when someone tries to access our folder, what happens is access forbidden. So now they can't see it. Similarly, if we try to access, let's say, our documents folder within our root directory, so we can see that our entire file within the document folder is visible. So it is a security threat. For this also what we can do is, let's say we will copy this for index.html and place it here. Now let's test whether it is accessible or not. It is not. So in this way we can prevent unauthorized access to the folders of our project in PHP. So but why index.html? There is a reason to it and we will see how we can configure it. So first we will go in C drive, then Apache folder, then configuration files, then httpd.conf. We'll edit it using any text editor. We will scroll down. Keep scrolling. Let's make a search. And then, so here it is. We will have to add this portion in our httpd.conf files. So what it says is sets the file that Apache will serve if a directory is requested. For now it is index.html. So in every directory where it is accessible to the user through URL, if we place an index.html file, instead of providing the access to the directory, the index.html file will open just as in our case. We can change the name of this file here as well as per our convenience. But if we change the file, if we make any changes to this file, httpd.conf, you have to open services, click here, and needs to restart the service. Then only the changes to the configuration file will be applicable. Otherwise, it won't. So any changes that is made to the configuration file should be followed up by the restart of the services, and we will be done with it. So it is important to keep in mind that this portion is available in your conf file to prevent the access to the unauthorized directory of your project.